Are you listening? Damn.
Hi lovelies, Madam Sophy here again to do another affordable makeup look. Today I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and guess what? This eyeshadow palette costs only $5. $5 guys, only $5. Actually cost under $5. It actually retails for $4.60 something. I think I paid around $4.60 something, which probably added up to $5 after tax. But I paid about $5 for this palette. I bought this palette at Walmart, and I just can't wait to try this palette. This palette is not new to the Wet n Wild collection. It's been out for some time. I think currently the new Wet n Wild release would be the Earth Air. It's gonna be the collection that came out that is inspired by astrology. So this is not new. It's been out for some time, and I just thought since back to school is around the corner as well, maybe I should do something with this look. Now this palette has 10 shades. Okay, this palette has 10 shades. You have two transition shades. It's one down here and one at the top, and you also have a collection of other shades over here. You have, I want to say, two matte colors. This orange color right here is a matte color, as well as this brown color. The others are either metallics or have a few specks of metal pigments in there, or whatever you want to call it. So this is the look. You get 10 eyeshadows for the price of $5. Okay, this is kind of what some of them looks like. My finger kind of went in the shade when I was doing it, but I'm just going to do a quick review using this palette. Now this palette only costs $5, so I would not expect it to take me above and beyond. It's only $5, so I mean, I can't be too disappointed with whatever I get at the end of this tutorial, but I'm pretty sure that I would be able to get a pretty decent look out of this palette, because Wet n Wild, they've been out for some time. They've been in the business for some time, and they know their stuff. So I don't think that I would be that disappointed after I'm done applying after I'm done using this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so if you want to see the look I came up with, please stay tuned. I'm gonna go in the color C10 from Makeup Revolution, Define and Conceal Concealer, C10, and I'm just gonna do a little cut crease. This shade is a bit lighter than the shade I initially used to set my eyes, so there might be a difference in that.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You go ahead and use the NYX liquid eyeliner for eyeliner today. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put some lashes on. I'm gonna do my foundation and I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so my eyeshadow is done. I did go ahead and apply some foundation. I went ahead and set my face. I added on some lashes by the Ardell collection. The lashes I'm rocking today are the natural lashes in black and the number is 110, and I am loving this look. I did not expect a look so elegant coming from a $5 palette. I am definitely shook. I am shook, guys. I am definitely impressed with the way this eyeshadow performed, and I am in love with this look. Let me do a close-up for you guys. So this is the look, guys. I am definitely moved. Wet n Wild Cosmetics, you know what you're doing. I am definitely impressed. For foundation today, I went ahead and used the Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I went ahead and set my foundation. And to highlight today, I went ahead and used the NYX Holographic Hollow Finishing Powder. This is what I just used for highlights. I know that it's a finishing powder, but I only use it for highlighting, and I have it in the color Magical. Okay, so this is what I used to highlight today, and I am definitely moved. For blush today, I went ahead and used my Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the color Rose Doro, and I can't stop saying how amazed I am with this palette. This palette cost only $5, and I am just so satisfied with the way this look came out that I cannot say anything bad about it. The only thing about this palette that I need to make you aware of is the colors, the matte colors. Whenever you use them, they tend to fall out. You do have some fallout when you use it, and in addition to getting some fallout, when you use it, it may seem to be a bit chalky, but it definitely performs. It's not one of those eyeshadow palettes where the colors look chalky and then by the time you put it on your eyes, it disappears. The colors in there, they really perform very well. I am definitely amazed by this eyeshadow palette. And this palette is in the version Not a Basic Peach. Okay, this is Not a Basic Peach by Wet n Wild, and I think that Wet n Wild picked the perfect name for this eyeshadow palette because this look is definitely not a basic peach. And I'm definitely moved by it. I really love the way it came out. Guys, what do you think about this look? What do you think about this look? And just so that I didn't miss out on anything, for primer today, I went ahead and I used the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal in the concealer number C11. And I also use the color C10 to kind of set my area to apply that peachy looking color in the corner and outward area of my eye. And I am amazed, guys. For lips today, I went ahead and used the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in the color 1993. And I went ahead and I lined just a little bit of the inner corners of my lips with a brown lip liner, and I also topped up that Urban Decay lip gloss with my Catrice lip glaze. I went ahead and I topped it up, and this is where you're getting this holographic shimmer. Okay, this is what I topped it off with. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Prisma lip glaze, and I have it in the color Princess Peach. Yeah, so my final take on this eyeshadow palette is indeed Sophy approved. This palette is Sophy approved. It is under $5, guys. You wouldn't pay more than $5 for this eyeshadow palette. If you buy it at Walmart, you wouldn't pay more than that price. You may get it a little over $5, but I believe that you wouldn't pay more than $7 for this 10 color eyeshadow palette. Remember, I paid $5 for it, and it has 10 colors. The colors I tried, they really performed very well. I believe I used a total of 4 colors in this palette, and you'll see the colors I used if you looking through the tutorial. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I am definitely amazed by this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild Cosmetics, and this palette is not a Basic Peach by Wet n Wild Cosmetics. And wow, I am shook. Okay, I am really shook. This palette definitely took me above and beyond for the price I paid for it. I am definitely amazed by that. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the constant support here on my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be part of the Sophia squad. Also follow me on social media. You could follow me on Twitter, Facebook, as well as Instagram. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.